triangles, they will be similar. Then we will prove that the two triangles, they will be similar by by three cases. What are the three cases? The first case, which we talked yesterday, which it was AA, which means if two angles or two corresponding angles are equal in measure, so we can prove that the two triangles are similar. The second case is SSS, right? So SSS, they should be equal in measure or something else to talk about similar triangles. Then SSS means that the triangle, they will be equal in length. Each two corresponding sides feel similar. They will be equal in length to prove that they are similar, or feel similar. The two corresponding sides, they should be proportional. And what the meaning of proportional? Proportional means they are equal in, the proportional means that they have the same ratio. Okay? And the third case is side angle side. If there anyone can tell me what is the side angle side means? What is the meaning of side angle side? That means what?
Two sides are equal and have one equal angle between them.
No, I can't say they are equal because we are not talking about,
Proportional.
yes, we are not talking about congruent. We are talking about proportional. And with proportional, then we are looking for the two corresponding sides. They will be proportional. Then proportional means that they have the same ratio. In this question in your workbook, page 113, you have LR equal 0 and 0. So this is the origin point is 0 and 0. And we have S is 0 and 4. So this is S here, 0 and 4. And we have T is -8 and 0. And we are looking for Z. So we want the coordinates for Z, which it will make the two triangles Z, so that the two triangles, they will be similar. Then X is 0 and 2. Is there anyone can tell me how we can find the Z? We can find Z. To prove that two triangles are similar, as I said, so we are looking for two proportional sides. He wants two triangles. Could you please tell me what are the two triangles which he's working with? Which two triangles? What?
S or T.
The first triangle is R, S, T, right? The first triangle is R, S, T. And the second triangle is
R, X, Z.
R, X, Z. Okay. So the first triangle is R, S, T, and the second triangle is R, X, Z. Then if I want to find the proportional sides, it will be RS, right, over RX. Could you please tell me now what is the length of RS? How we will find the length of RS? S and X belong to the y-axis, right? Then once they are in a y-axis, so I can find by counting. This is 0 and 4. So what is the length for RS?
4.
Can tell me? 4. Yes. So RS over what? RX, because those are two proportional sides. Then in RS, as you said, Johanna, 4. And what about RX? Sorry, in XR? This one
2?
was 0 and 2. Yes, so it's 2. Which means the ratio between two corresponding sides in simplest form is 2 to 1. Now we want to find, could you please tell me what is the length for RT? RT, what is the length for RT? The point T is how many?
-8.
-8 and 0, right? So what is the
Yes.
distance from the point 0 and 0, or from the point R till T? How many units? The distance equal how many?
8.
8.
Yes, because we can't describe the distance by a negative number. Then the length of RT, it will be equal 8. Then RT should be over how many? RT corresponding to
RZ.
RZ. Then, and we said, so we said RT, it will be over RZ. And the ratio between them, it should be how many? The ratio between them, it should be 2. We found the scale factor here. We found the scale factor for the two triangles. We said that RS over RX, 2 over 1. Then RT over RZ, it will be 2 over 1. Then you told me that RT equal 8. And RZ, we don't know. And the ratio should be equal 2 over 1. Then how you will find the length or the distance for RZ? 1
times 8 divided by 2.
divided by 2. Then RZ, it will be equal
4.
4. El 4 represent the length of RZ, right? Then what are the coordinates for point Z? What are the coordinates for the point Z in this case? We said that the distance
0, 4.
No, the opposite. It lies on the x-axis, so it should be 4
Okay. 4, 0.
and 0. Right? So it should be 4 and 0, because we said that the distance equals 4. So the point, it will be 4 and 0. We have the same idea with question number 19. So let me try to do it with you. But we will change only the coordinates, yes? Any question?
Yes.
Tell me.
No.
You don't have a question. Okay, so let's start with the next question, and we have only different order pair. Debulina, you are here? Debulina,
Yes.
you can hear me?
Yes,
Understood the question?
yes, I understood.
Okay, then you are going to work with me in question number 19. First, we are going to plot the points. Then, LR was 0 and 0. What about S? LS was
0, 6.
0, 6.
Yes.
0 and 6. What about X?
0, 2.
0, 2. T?
-6 and 0.
-6 and 0. Okay. And we are looking for the value of Z. The same steps. Now, RS over RX. What is the length for RS?
6.
6. And what is the length of RX?
2.
So the ratio, it will be
6 over 2.
in
Simplified, it will be 3 over 1.
It will be 3 over 1. Thank you so much. Now we will back RT over RZ should be equal 3 over 1, the same scale. Now, what is the length for RT? The length for RT, it will be
6.
6.
6.
Yes. Then, now, how we will find the length for RZ? It will be
1 times 6
6
divided
divided
by
by 3. Then 1 times 6, it will be equal 6 divided by 3 equal how many? Equal 2. So the
2.
point Z should be equal
2, 0.
2 and 0. Thank you. Okay, let's answer the
Okay.
next question. Your question number 20. Question number 20. Try to do it, ba. No, try to do it. I will change only the order pair. Yalla Debo, try to find the answer. Ahmad. Ritaj understood the question, ya Ritaj?
Miss, I want best to ask a question.
Yes,
No.
sure.
يعني from X to Z.
From X to Z, yes. We will not care about this line. We are looking for the value of, or the order pair for Z, right? Then
Yes.
we used already the ratio between the other two order pair. It's more easier, right? So as I said, first, S in this time, in this question, in number 20 in your workbook, S is 0 and what?
0 and 10.
0 and 10. Okay. And what about X? X is what?
0 and 6.
X is 0 and 6. And what about T?
Negative 20 and 0.
Negative 20 and 0. Okay. And that's it, right? Okay, now LRS over LRX. LRX, how many? The length of RX, how many?
6.
Now RS.
10.
10.
How many? 10, yes. And what is the length for RX?
6.
6. In simplest form, it will be 5 over 3, right? Now, what is the length for RT?
Negative 20.
In distance, we will not say negative, okay? Then
Okay.
it will be equal
20.
20. And the scale factor, it should be
5
5 over 3. Then 3 times 20, 60 divided by 5 equal how many? Equal
12.
12. So the point Z in this case, it would be equal
12.
and what?
12, 0.
12 and
0.
Yes. 12 and 0. Okay, understood?
Yes.
We want to prove that the two triangles are similar. Then, did he give us any other angle in this, in those two triangles? Did he give us any other triangle? Any
Yes.
other angle?
Yes.
Which angle did he give it to us?
Angle E and J equal 90.
Who said that? Did he put a sign
Okay.
to say that they are right angle? He should put this sign, Yahana. Okay,
Yes.
but without this sign, we can't say that they are right angle. So what we
Okay.
have to do? We will use, because already here he put for us sides, right? Then we will use proportional, which means DE over what? HJ. Then DE over, calculate quickly, HJ. It will be how many? DE, it was 2. HJ was
1.
1. Okay, second. If we want to work with EF and JK, EF and JK, we don't have length here. So we will skip this one and we will look for another pair. DF, Do you have the length for DF?
Yes, 5.8.
Exactly. So I have DF and HK, right?
9.
HK. Then it will be 5.8 over 2.9. In simplest form, it will be how many? If you will try to simplify 5.8 over 2.9, it will be how many? It will be 2 over 1. What do you notice now? I note that two sides have the same ratio and the included angle. You see, should be included angle, which means it lies between the two proportional sides. Then those two triangles are similar by using side angle
side.
side. Okay, so understood what the meaning of side angle side, which means the two sides, the two corresponding sides are proportional, have the same ratio, and the measure of included angle between them. Understood this example?
Yes.
What about if the question is side, side, side? That means what? If the triangle is side, 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 then in those two triangles, we want to verify that the triangle TXU similar with the triangle VXW. Then we will use proportional. TX over VX equal XU over XW and TU over VW. We found that we have the first ratio was 3 over 4 and 3 over 4. Where is the third condition, grade 9? Where is the third condition here in this question? We are looking for two sides are proportional, and the third is what? Included angle. Those two angles are called what?
Vertical angle?
Yes, vertical angles. Yes, thank you. Okay, so we found that the ratio between two sides was constant, or they are proportional, and we found included angle. Then the two triangles are similar by using side angle side. Okay, and this was your question.